Welcome! If you're looking for a fast, elegant and ready-to-use operating system, you're in the right place. Let me introduce you to MODICIA O.S, the Linux distribution designed for those who want the best, without compromise. MODICIA O.S is built to be intuitive and powerful. The interface is smooth, modern, and professionally crafted down to the smallest detail. Everything is optimized to give you a flawless visual and functional experience. You'll find top-tier software already installed for graphics, video, audio, office work and browsing. No setup delays. MODICIA is ready to work, create and play from the very first boot. Thanks to advanced optimizations, MODICIA OS is up to 25% more responsive than other systems. Fast startup, low resource usage and high performance, even on older hardware. Your privacy is protected. MODICIA includes built-in security tools and does not collect personal data. It's free, ethical and transparent. It speaks your language. MODICIA is localized in dozens of languages, with intuitive descriptions and carefully translated menus and applications. And you're not alone. MODICIA has a friendly, active community, ready to help and share resources, tutorials and advice. Try MODICIA OS today. It's free, secure and will surprise you. Download it, install it and discover what it means to be in control. MODICIA OS. Freedom with style.